This video is about change of units in Solidworks. And there are some tips about change of units. Hi, welcome to our channel, Design Engineers. Support us by clicking on subscribe button and bell icon. Click the mmgs at the bottom of the screen. mmgs stands for millimeter, gram, and second. Select the desired units. For example, IPS. IPS stand for inch, pound and second. The letters IPS will appear at the bottom of the screen, indicating that the drawing units are now inches. The converted inches dimensions are not whole numbers as were in the millimeter units. It is better to do a drawing in either inches or in millimeters from the beginning and not to convert units later in part, assembly or in drawing. This helps prevent round-off error. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Here you can learn Solidworks from beginning to expert level as much short time as possible. Thanks for watching.